Right, let's go. Good afternoon and welcome to the channel. Afternoon run today. The run's actually almost done, but we'll get to that in a moment. So thanks for everyone for watching the last video, for those that gave a like and those that hit the subscribe button. So usual, please hit the thumbs up, give us a like, and please hit the subscribe button and hit the wee ding-a-ling bell symbol to get notified of when the next video gets released. So yeah, now that the admin's out the way, we've done quite most of the journey, and Dafty here forgot to push record. Not very clever. So today we're not going a long run journey anyways. We're only going a short journey to an overview, take the drone up, get some nice aerial footage of Santa Cruz, which is only about 30 to 45 minutes away from us. As we've not got most of the journey recorded today, well, we'll record the journey back home, or some of it anyway, the highlights of it. We're 6 minutes away from the destination. No idea where we're going, so we'll find out when we get there. Right, we're just coming up a hill. I think we're 1.5 kilometres away. We can see a wee minivan sitting impatiently behind us, but he's just going to have to sit impatiently behind us because I'm not racing up a big hill that I have no idea where I'm going. Because I guarantee you this tunnel's just going to come out of nowhere. So basically we're going to a place in Santa Cruz, a mountain resort, and we're going to take the drone up and get some good aerial views of Santa Cruz and surrounding scenery, and then it'll be a wee short drive back, 30 to 45 minutes. We thought we wouldn't go too far this week because we're just getting ourselves prepared for the Calayan Loop next week. We leave on Friday to go to that, so yeah, we'll pick that back up after the drone play. We're almost just here, so we'll stop the video for now and we'll pick this back up after the drone recording. Yeah, it was the battery. So we've arrived at Lantawan Mountain Resort, at least I think that's how you pronounce it. Looking ahead, it looks as though there is quite a big overview, so we definitely will get the drone up. So at the moment we're going to go and see if we can get something to... No, Morgan wants to go and have a cigarette first. Yeah. Then, so we're going to go and have a cigarette first, and then we will... Oh, what a view that is actually. That is a good view. Wow. So we'll have a little cigarette first, then we'll go and get some water, see if there's anything to eat, because I'm a bit hungry, and yeah, we'll take it from there. What a view, eh? Wow. I'm not going to take the drone too far out, I don't think. I don't want to lose it. But
how many meters your drone?
Well, I mean, in theory, I could probably take it all the way out there, but it's whether I'm brave enough to is the next question. Probably not. I'll probably take it out over them trees. Problem is, if I lose it, I lose it. It's a little bit windy, so I don't want to take it too far with the wind, in case it gets unsettled and it doesn't come back. And the thing is, if it comes down over there, it's kind of lost forever. Some view. Morgan, maybe go down that way, over there, and take the drone up there, over there. Better view from over there, can see all the water. Right, cigarette time. No, we're going to see if we can get something to eat now. So we've had our cigarette and we're now going to go and see if we can get something to eat. That's the road we just came along, the highway in the distance, heading back to Davao City. And as you can see, you have the sea out there. Yeah, we'll get a better view of that with the drone, but just in case, because the wind is picking up a little, so fingers crossed it's not. But wow, what a view. Definitely a good shout off Google. And the mountain in the background. Right, let's go see if we can get food. Nice little cute doggy there lying down. Something using a grass trimmer in the background. So we have your usual Filipino food here, but I'm not going to go for that. What is a go ball? What's them? Yeah, but what are they?
Dog the same.
Right. Okay, so we'll see what we get and we'll recommend.
Balik na punta siya, Davao.
Oo, Lunes, balik mo Davao. Pero motor na ko nakuha.
Magsunod ka na ba?
Sa Loride.
Right, we're recording.
Yeah,
So
bye.
say goodbye.
Bye!
And yeah, shall we go that way and just go 30 minutes up that way, see where it goes? Yeah, turn right.
Bye.
See you later. almost at home now. Just stopped for a quick cigarette. I think we're coming up on a Tyrrell checkpoint now. And then we'll go and get the Ming Mings cats, some chicken heads, deep fried chicken heads, such a healthy diet. And home nice and early. That should be a nice refreshing change. And then changed into shorts and a t-shirt and kind of relax a bit. So it turns out I just checked the drone footage. Voila, nada, zilch. Yeah, we had the drone up. We've seen some amazing sights with the drone. Yeah, we didn't bloody record any of it, did we? Oops. Bit of a shame. But next time. We did get some good pictures. So at least that's something. And it was worthwhile. Like I said, we met some nice people, had some decent food. So can't really complain too much. Good afternoon.
Sir, magandang hapon yan, sir.
How you doing?
Gigan, sir.
Hey? Hey, wala Bisaya, nose blood.
No English, no English.
No.
No English. Bisaya only.
No, English. Thanks, boss. Cheers.
Salamat.
Have a good day. Well, the PNP task force guys, I'm not sure what they were, I think the PNP. Anyway, very funny. No English, Bisaya only, and I'm like that, Walla Bisaya, English only. Yeah, some of them are really funny. They like to have a bit of a laugh and a joke for you, which is good. The police, I would say the police have got a much better nature towards people out here than they have in the UK. In the UK, police are very arrogant, very angry, very authoritarian, think they're better than you. The police out here, I don't know if it's because I'm a foreign national or what, but they're so friendly, so polite, so respectful. They always have a laugh with you, joke lang. You get a lot of time for them. If you give them the respect, they'll give you it back, and you can have some good chit chat, talking with them. Whereas in the UK, I'm not saying all police are bad in the UK, there are some good ones, but many of them just think they're better than you and very authoritarian. You will do this, and half of them don't even know the bloody law. Yeah. So that's another big difference in the Philippines. The police's attitude towards people. Big positive. So hats off to PMP, HPG, task force guys and all the rest of it. Like I said, I've yet to meet a single one that was shitty to me or an asshole. All of them I've met so far have been so friendly, so kind, so respectful. and had a laugh and talking. So yeah, hats off to those guys. So we're now coming back to Torrell. Well, we're now in Torrell, heading back to our lovely area, and as usual there's a big black cloud overhanging. So I will say goodbye for now, and thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up, hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button please, as it helps grow the channel and helps the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more viewers. So yeah, until the next video, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.